Hello everyone, welcome to our health channel where we share valuable information for your well-being. Today we will talk about how to use medicinal herbs to improve the function of the kidneys, bladder, female reproductive system, and male prostate. I am a natural health specialist. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more health tips. In Chinese medicine, the kidneys, bladder, female reproductive system, and male prostate are considered part of the water element. These organs are interconnected, and their health directly affects one another. Problems in these organs often manifest as back pain. For example, kidney issues can cause lower back pain, while bladder problems can cause muscle tension in the legs. Birch is excellent for eliminating uric acid and toxins from the body, helping to relieve joint and muscle pain. Prepare an infusion with birch leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of dried leaves to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Horsetail is one of the best diuretic herbs, helping to stimulate kidney function and eliminate toxins. Make a tea with horsetail. Use 1 tablespoon of dried herb for a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Bearberry is effective for treating urinary infections and bladder irritations. Prepare an infusion with bearberry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of dried leaves to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Calendula helps regulate the female reproductive system and relieve menstrual symptoms. Prepare a calendula tea with 1 tablespoon of dried flowers in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Saw palmetto is excellent for prostate health, helping to reduce inflammation and improve urinary function. Take saw palmetto supplements as directed by your healthcare professional. Ginseng helps improve vitality and the health of the male reproductive system. Prepare an infusion with ginseng root. Add 1 teaspoon of dried ginseng to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Although medicinal herbs are natural, it is important to use them responsibly and consult a healthcare professional before starting any treatment. Pay attention to possible side effects and allergic reactions. Stop using if you notice any adverse symptoms and seek medical advice. Today we discussed several medicinal herbs and their benefits for the kidneys, bladder, female reproductive system, and prostate. Birch, horsetail, bearberry, calendula, saw palmetto, and ginseng are some of the herbs that can help. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with your friends. Leave your favorite medicinal herbs and how you use them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Your participation is very important to us. In the next video, we will talk about how to create a healthy daily routine to improve your quality of life. Don't miss it. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when the video goes live.